Hi guys, it's Molly for 1 Minute Wednesday where we heat print together. Which should I choose for my small business, HTV or DTF? Both of these are heat applied materials, but the order process is very different. This is a 1 meter roll of HTV MAX DTF. So this is a printed heat transfer where you can upload digital graphics online, and STAHLS manufactures this and delivers it ready to print to your door. This product has a minimum order of 1, which is perfect for small businesses. And this is a roll of STAHLS HTV. This is bought in single colourways by the meter. HTV can be purchased in lots of different special finishes that you can't achieve with a printed heat transfer, such as glitter or glow in the dark. You cut it with your cutter plotter, weed out the excess of the design, and then press it like normal. Both processes are useful for small order quantities. It simply depends on what type of design you're working with. If you want full colour graphics, choose DTF. If you want special effects, choose HTV.